Sometimes it snows and sometimes it sleets, sometimes it rains down rocket debris. Please pardon our progress and disregard the mess. It's just the rocket science, and baby, we're trying our best. There's a hubris to man, a complexity of ours, to hate half of your own and want to colonize Mars. If they cared about you, and if they cared about me, they'd make a big old rocket everybody could eat. How many meals and how much water, how many sons and how many daughters could be saved with the money it takes to play with rockets? At least we know it ain't coming out of me and you's pocket. Thank God no one was on board, and thank God nobody died. It's kinda nice to see a big government firework, and it ain't even the 4th of July.